No surprise to us, markets rip your face off. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard. It's Bubba's Daily Update, and sorry we didn't get one yesterday. Too many technical problems, and I just got back in from Tennessee, and this is the first thing I'm doing. I'm sending the update for today, and no surprise, I wrote you a note last night saying that we could probably see a rip your face off rally in the next day or two, and like right on cue, here it is. So now, if you take a look at the chart, though, you'll see that it did not take out it didn't violate any resistance. It's right up against the top, and if it rallies a little bit farther, it's probably a sell from here. This is, again, what we've talked about. You're going to see these vicious rallies. They're going to show up out of nowhere, and of course, today was really strange because the NASDAQ was up, then it went way down, then it went way up, then it started to sell off again, and all of a sudden, there was about a 15-minute period where the S&P rallied 25 points and the Dow went bananas. I was somewhere in between, I don't know where, somewhere in Tennessee, but in the meantime, it was crazy, but not a surprise. Okay, now, again, we look at the factors. The dollar rallied a little bit, getting closer to our breakout spot, so we're going to continue to watch the dollar. Bonds were under pressure, no surprise, or interest rates are going to go up, and we felt that was going to be the case. Oil was moderately higher, but not really a big deal. Gold sold off a little bit, but the one question about gold is, did it find a new support level at about 1330? It looks like it could be 1330 to 1365 right now, so we'll see how that plays out. In the meantime, we've got the grain markets were stronger, but again, gave way late, but they look really good. I think you can look, wheat was really a strong one today, but I think you can look for a spot to sell if you want, or wait for a dip to buy. I think they're going a lot higher, but I do think there's going to be some sort of a sell-off first. To me, it looks like the meats are under a liquidation-only type trade right now. It looks like the banks are either forcing some liquidation or something's going on there, because every day, late in the day, no matter what's going on, we see some heavy selling, and that usually indicates that somebody's stuck pretty good and they're getting taken out of the market. So let's watch. Again, we're looking for a spot to buy. Our recommendations, we try to buy them every day. And we haven't done great, we haven't done horrible, we've had a couple of beatdowns, but at the end of the day, we keep looking for a spot because we know that this is the right neighborhood in the right area. Bitcoin continues to be under pressure. Again, I think this is just all part of the overall venue of what we've got, but that looks for something that I would look to be a buyer of. At the end of the day, they're making far too much out of the trade war, tariff, the whole deal. It's going to work itself out. It's going to resolve itself. The markets themselves the highs are in, they're going lower. Look for a spot to sell it. That's the way we see it. I would continue to look for spots. Now again, tomorrow morning, if we open much lower, then you can figure there's going to be a rally from there. If they I'd like to see them gap higher, and then I'd like to sell them on a higher gap on the open. If they open lower, I'm not going to be a seller. I would maybe look to be a buyer for a trade. But at the end of the day, let's see how they trade. We're seeing a lot of action here. We've got the jobs on Friday, so that'll start coming into play. And tomorrow morning, you get the ADP number. So that'll do it for today's Bubba's Daily Update. Sorry again that it's late, and sorry I didn't get to one yesterday. In the meantime, don't forget to check out highschoolinvesting.com. And if you want to help us out, patreon.com, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. And also, don't forget to get the Bubba Show every day from 4 to 5 Eastern at libertytalk.fm. Have a great night, everybody. Thank you so much. We'll see you back here tomorrow on time. This is Bubba's Daily Update. We'll see you later, everybody. Thanks.